So, welcome guys to Build and Break Free. So, uh, today I'm going to just analyze Euro USD. Okay, so I'm using the Reef trading view. So, this one we start on a day. So, what we're going to do is we're going to use price action. So, price action. We'll be using price action. We're using price action to trade. Okay. So in price action, we use, is it three or four things that we use to analyze the market? First is support, uh, support and resistance. Okay. Second is trend lines. Trend lines. What is the third one? Third one is so usually this they are the things that we use right on when we are doing analysis using price action. Let me think about the other one. So I'll be using all these three so that we'll be able to understand it. Okay, so you normally use two, okay? It uses two. Yeah, with third one, I say market structure. Yeah, market structure. Okay, sweet. And let's remember that uh, uh, market movement and it. So market movement. So market movement, that's the one of the thing that we need to understand. So market movement. So market it will either it's uptrend, uptrend, down, downtrend, downtrend, and sideways. So market moves this. All right. So when you are doing a market um, using price action to trade, you'll be looking for this, all right? So that's what you'll be looking for. I'm looking for arrows. So in TradingView, it will give you everything that you need to use, right? I need this arrow. So you can put it as a favorite. So when you put it as a favorite, you come to your bar here. Okay. So I'm moving this to this. So we are looking for this, right? You are looking for, when you're using price action, you look for this to this. Okay. That's what we are looking for. So right now we are on our daily. We are on our daily. How do I move this? So right now we are in our daily. Right now we're daily. So what we are going to do, we are going to first we're going to look for the support and resistance, right? Where the market really came and hold, like here, we can see the support. So you either draw within a square rectangle to mark, so it will become a zone. Okay, it will become a zone for you. So this is where it came, right? And then where is another one? You can see here we have it, but it break and then it came back, right? But you need to look where they were support. Yeah, that's where our support is, right? We have one, two here, including these ones. It takes it took him some time there, right? Then it went up and then it comes and then it rejected, come back again, and then it break, then tries to corner, and then it comes up again, and then it formed this one, right? So after we finish that, on the same time frame, we look for other things that we can do, right? So when you are looking for trend lines, right? That's in might be uptrend or downtrend. So I can come here and take my trend line and then I'll try to put a trend line here. So one touch, two touch, okay? And then I put my trend line there. So now I need to come to lower time frame. That was a daily. So now I am on my uh, daily on 4 hour. Okay, let me move these ones so that you'll be seeing these ones a lot of time, right? A lot. You'll be seeing these things a lot. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see right now, so I have this one touch, second touch here. So now the market, I'm looking for the market to, I'm looking for the market to touch here. I'm looking for the market to touch here. After it touch here, I need it to, then the market is supposed to come down here. Okay, so that's my prediction, right? So it needs to touch here and then it goes down. Okay, come again to this support. That's what you're looking for. That's how we can make sure that the market is doing that. So When it's doing that, right? So now we finish here. We need to start to look for our entries, right? So, but we need to be patient, right? As we can see here, right? So sometimes when you're putting trend lines, you also need to come and see other things, right? So if it breaks this, you see this gap, there's a gap here, right? It's a fair value gap, right? Or it's just an empty gap, right? It need to come here to close that gap. When it break it need to come here to close that gap. Okay, it needs to close that gap. As you can see here, it doesn't leave those gaps open. It can go up and comes back and close that gap and then start again. It went to did the same thing, it comes down and then it did the same thing here, just shut down. And then it went and then it did it again here. It repeated again. Okay, repeated it again here, it went down and then it comes back and closed that gap and then it went down and then it did on the support right here, it did it again, same thing, it went up and then come and close, then start to go up. Okay, let's go to 1 hour. So now we'll be just waiting for the market reaction, right? What is going to do, what is going to do, right? What is going to do. So as we can see, we need to be patient, right? The signal is not ready. Okay. So two things. What I said, if it breaks this trend line, it's coming here. That's where it's coming, right? That's where it's going to come. Okay. So that's it. Um, we'll be paying attention to it and then we can see what we can do. So that's how you analyze the market. So we can even check other pairs. Okay, we can, but this one is okay. So that's how you analyze. That's how you analyze the market. So if I squeeze it here, you can see, right, it comes small, 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 small. So the other thing that we can do, right, when you are coming down to lower time frame, you can start to look for trend lines again. But the bigger the trend line, you need to follow the bigger trend line. When it's going down, maybe you can have a small trend line inside, right? Maybe it's showing buying, right? So when the trend line is going down, you sell. You are looking for the opportunity to what? To sell. So this trend line, yeah, we are looking to sell. Uh, looking for sale, right? Looking for sale because it's going down. We are looking for sale there. So there's no need for you to like where the market is right now. Okay, where the market is right now, we are looking for a sale, right? When this trend is going down. But if now you want to change things, right? You if you are looking to buy, because if it breaks here going up, now it's buy. You can take Fibonacci adjustment and then you put higher high and then the lower low, right, of that trend. So as we can see right now, it's below 50, right? So when it's below 50, we look for the opportunity to buy. So where are you going to look for the opportunity to buy? When it breaks this trend line and comes back down here and start to shoot. because we are already too late, right? We are too late. Why I'm saying that? If you are going to look for the opportunity to buy because of this support now, let me go to higher time frame so that it will be clean. So we have this higher time frame, right? Uh, you see here, right? That was our support. Because of this, we look to the left. We are here, but we look here to the left. So for us to be able to trade, we need to look to the left, right? Always look to the left. What happened, all right, the last time when the market reached this level, right? So do you tell us what is market going to do? So what is happening here, as you can see, this is sideways. The market was moving sideways. It didn't go up, and then it went up here. As you can see, it went up here and then comes down, right? This is called also called as consideration. Uh, this one because it's sideways. The market was ranging or ranging market. Okay, you know that the market is coming here, it goes down, comes back here, and it goes down in that range. Okay, so it's a ranging market until it went up and break the support that was here. As you can see here, my dotted lines, it forms a zone. Okay, it formed a zone for this. The market was just moving inside, and then it went up, and then it came back again to that range, and then it went down to touch the support. Now we are going to see the market going up. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, and I hope this video can help you to analyze the market freely. If you have any questions, and also if you want to register, please inbox me. I will send you the link. All right. Have fun and peace out.